Now that the roll-on adhesive is dry on the outside deck edges and inside wall, you can use your chalk line to lay out where the Econodek vinyl panels will be placed on the body of the deck. To mark the position of the first vinyl sheet, you will need a chalk line, a pencil, and a measuring tape. First, measure 68 inches from the outer edge of your deck. This will allow 4 inches of vinyl to hang over the outside edge. Mark the deck on both ends with a pencil so your chalk line will be straight. Hook the chalk line to one side of the deck edge and walk it across to the opposite side of the deck to your second pencil mark. Once your chalk line is perfectly matched with your pencil marks, lift the chalk line and let it snap onto the deck surface. Now you have a guideline for rolling out the first sheet of your Econodek vinyl. Econodek vinyl comes in 72-inch wide rolls. Since you measured 68 inches from the outer deck edge with your chalk line, you should have 4 inches of vinyl hanging over the deck edge after it's rolled out and in the proper position. While rolling out the Econodek vinyl, adjust the sheet as needed to make sure the edge of the vinyl is running parallel and flush with the chalk line. Once the vinyl is rolled out to the edge of the deck, roll the vinyl back on itself about 3 feet. This will allow room for you to cut off this sheet of vinyl from the main roll.